Sorry. Don't watch me eat. It's probably disgusting, disturbing. It's all on my face. That's what she said. There's a couple things. Remind me, if anybody who's watching this, remind me. Good news about the holsters. And I already forgot the second thing. Up in Colorado, Durango, Colorado, there's a gun store up there called Colorado Gunfighter. Nice store. Nice. It's a nice store. I went over there a while back, many months back, before I had my surgery, and asked if they wanted to buy some holsters, and showed them what I had, gave them a couple, let them try them out, and he got a hold of me, said he got the go ahead to buy some from me. Fuck yeah! I'm like, they ordered so many holsters, I just gotta go over there and talk to them Saturday to figure out what they want. Yeah, quit, bitch! And then I'm like, I can't quit, it's not enough. Yeah, that's that. Working on this guy's gun. It's a Echelon, and it has a hollow sun light on it. I didn't even know they made lights. And it's... I think I can get it done as long as nobody interrupts me. I made the first part to the light channel, which is just like the base to it, and then I'll build on top of it to get it to where I want it to be. And then I'll make that first press, and hopefully it functions the way it's supposed to, and then I'll give it to him. It's just a test piece for him to try out. And then he's going to tell me what he likes and doesn't like about it. I'll make changes on the mold, and then I'll give him press him another one, and see if there's anything else that needs to be fixed or changed. And then if he goes, everything's good, I'll press it in the color he wants, and then it's his. Bam! That is a custom holster. It's made for you. It's not made for everybody with that gun. It's made for you. That's the other thing I wanted to talk about. So you have all these people out there that say that they're custom holster makers. Do you actually make it for that person? Or do you just say you're a custom maker because you put it together and, somebody makes an order and goes, hey, can you make this one for this? Yeah. And you put it together. Slap some popsicle sticks on it, or do this or do that, and make it for the gun. Because they have molds for that. They have ready-made molds for that. So you don't actually have to do, you don't have to do a whole lot. So I don't consider that a custom holster maker. I just consider that a holster maker. It's what I consider it. I consider a custom holster maker when you make it for that person. Blah. Done. Thank you. Got it out of my brain. I think I was kind of hitting it off with this one couple. They were swingers. But I don't know how it got over to guns, but we got talking about guns, and he goes, yeah, the staccato, I gotta already have what? And somehow I got around to, hey, I make holsters. Whatever I do in my spare time, I like to do it as a hobby, blah, 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 to help people out. Things. All night. Anyway, and it got around to that he has a staccato. Staccatos are not the most expensive guns, but as soon as you pick one up, you want it. Staccatos are, they are nice. As soon as you pick it up and hold it in your hand, I gotta go to the bathroom and clean up. I'm fucking retarded. You know, and as soon as he told me that, I'm like, I hate you. I hate you. You have a staccato. And, you know, I don't hate him. I had spare $2,000, didn't have to pay for anything else. I would definitely get one. Super, super, super nice guns. Nice. See ya. So when I make these, I call it the base because you're going to build everything off of this. But they're usually so thin, you don't want them thick. I don't anyway. That you just want enough room on either side to make it easy to, stupid brain said keister, to holster it. And you don't want it to be too excessive because then your holster's huge. Okay, so it's pretty thin. I have this parallel bar to make it stiff. What the fuck is wrong with me? Ooh. It's pretty much even with the light right now. So if you made a holster like this, it would be real tight getting it in there.
Choose to go to the light, or you can decide to stay on Earth for as long as you want, and then you.
Anyway, I'm gonna jump off. Just a lot more of the same going on. So probably on Saturday and Sunday. See ya.